Got the new iPhone XS Max here. I did an upgrade, so Verizon sent us the phone in the mail, so let's set it up and get it all activated. So before we set up our new phone, I wanted to back up the old phone, and the way you can do that is I'm going to do it through the iCloud settings. You can go to your iCloud here, and then you want to go to your iCloud there, and this tells you everything that you can back up on the iCloud. So you can select which ones. In this menu, if you want your photos backed up, make sure that's on, and also iCloud backup on, and iCloud Drive on. And then you can upgrade to different sizes. We got the 50 gig one, and you can do that here. Make sure it tells you got your photos and backup data. Also see your backups to see where it's at. So here's the iPhone, and it says that this is the one. It says this phone. This is the one I want to make sure is backed up. Click on that, and it says it's backed up yesterday, which is good. That's when. Then you can also go down through here and select apps to back up. But I just wanted to make sure it's at least backed up as of yesterday. Okay, we're back to the welcome screen. Swipe up, English, United States. I don't know. Oh, it says bring a. So the old phone, they want you to bring it nearby. Well, it popped up something. There we go. Set up new iPhone. Continue. And then they want you to put that in there. Set up later. Don't use a passcode yet. We can set that up later. Alright, sign in. So here's the backup that we just made from today. And we're going to be using that. So we backed up this phone to the iCloud first. So we'll use that. Agree. So we're going to go ahead and install the software update. Your Apple ID can now be used to set up your new phone. So don't need to keep this one nearby anymore. This is going to take some time, so I'll come back. Alright, it's installing the new iOS. Alright, it's done installing. Swipe up. Software upgrade. Begin restoring the backup. Enter your Apple. Yeah, okay. Alright. Next. So now it should be restoring from the backup that we made today. And now it's rebooting again for some reason. And we're back at this, so I don't know why. Restore complete, good. Let's see if it... No. No. Oh my goodness. Go home. Okay. Okay. Let me skip this. Finally. Now we just need to activate this phone, I believe. I don't need that. Finish setting up your iPhone. Oh yeah, we don't want to do that. So it was updating the apps, and I see it updated the background picture there that we had on the old phone. It says the phone still needs activated. Still got a lot of apps to update. Even though the setup is finished, I can't use the iPhone right now. I don't think it's activated yet. I'm going to go ahead and call Verizon, see if I can get it activated. Alright, it's activated. I had to call Verizon in order to finish the process. They had to update the SIM card information in their system somehow. They said I could have done it online. So before returning your iPhone, Verizon gives you a list of stuff to do, and one of them is shutting off your Find My iPhone. And the way you get to that is go to settings, and then under there, under your iCloud, and scroll down, and you'll see Find My iPhone. This one's turned on, or this one's turned on. You can just click on it and then shut it off, and you'll have to log in when you go to shut it off, so it's protected with a password. So now that we got the new phone all set up, everything's backed up to the new phone, I verified it, and we're going to go ahead and erase everything off the old phone before we send it back. So, settings, general, reset, erase all content and settings. We don't want to back up then erase, we just want to erase now. Let me go ask the wife and make sure it's okay before I hit that button. Alright, the wife gave me the okay. And it's being erased. So once it gets to the point that it brings up the welcome screen and to set it up, then I'm just going to shut it off and then send it back. Okay, it's back to the welcome screen or hello screen. Shut it off. Now you can send it back and it's all clean.